I think, Pradeep, as you've been speaking to the locals, of course, the Jawans are our heroes, but these people are also our heroes.
Yes, they are real heroes, because it was heartening to see that instead of feeling threatened, what they did, they slammed their door at these terrorists. They did not offer them water. And today morning we saw that they had been offering water to all those men in uniform, because they said they are serving the nation, they are the one who are taking bullets for us, so we are here for them. And there are two stories. Look at the two stories. One story, I saw this thing happening in Riyasi. Despite terrorists opening fire on them, we saw that some of those passengers taking out pilgrims from the bus, and then they pretended to be dead so that they can checkmate those terrorists and make them believe that their mission has been accomplished. They were lying there, they saved several lives. And here in this particular case, people, when they decide that they are not going to support terrorism, then their survival is difficult. That's one of the reasons that we saw that within just half an hour, one of the terrorists was dead. And short while back, once again, the gunshots have been heard. The stacket of gunfire has once again broken eerie calm. Final assault is being launched. Very soon, the second terrorist will also be eliminated. We saw that all those vehicles of the security forces rushing towards the spot. Behind this temple, there is a tree line. And behind the tree line, the terrorist had been holed up. He is the one who had made several attempts to break cordons so that he can mingle with the population. But because of the security forces, he has not succeeded. We had been asked not to lie open, because any time during the final assault, this terrorist will try to make last attempt to break cordon. He can open fire. That's one of the reasons we're right now here not in open, because that is the direction being given to us by the security forces here on the ground. They're asking us to be on site to report about this thing. Right now, the final assault preparations are on. At any time, we'll get the news about the second terrorist also being eliminated, because they have zeroed him all the side, properly zeroed in on that area, and this terrorist will be dead. But once again, the hand of Pakistan stands completely exposed. Their story of deceit and deception stands exposed, because the ammunition that has been recovered, that those medicine made in Pakistan, chocolates made in Pakistan, I think this is enough proof to nail Pakistan lies, because often they keep on saying it is an indigenous movement. It's the people of Kashmir Valley who are supporting terrorists. We have nothing to do with terror-related activities. But here you can see how Pakistan continues with their activity of bleeding India 1,000 cut. Nobody can trust Pakistan. On one hand, they extend olive branch. On the other hand,
the mark is clear as far as on the recoveries that have been made, especially when it comes to the Kathua incident that has been reported. Pradeep getting us those pictures as well. But Pradeep, we also want to talk about the politicians here, because they seem to be politicizing. The Congress on its part has been questioning when it comes to the intel agencies and the government as well. The BJP says that the forces have a free hand when it comes to eliminating all of the terrorists involved.
जितनी इंटेलिजेंस है, जितनी एजेंसीज हैं, उन्होंने क्या रिपोर्ट की है? क्या उन्होंने रिपोर्ट दी हुई है? तो उस रिपोर्ट पे काम क्यों नहीं किया भाई? अब मसला आर्मी से उठ के लोकल पे आ गया। पहले तो टारगेट कर रहे थे, कभी आपकी एयरफोर्स, कभी पुलिस, कभी दूसरा। अब उठते उठते डायरेक्टली रास्ते में जो मिलता है काट दिया जा रहे। सरकार का किसका फेलियर था? गवर्नमेंट मेरे पास होती, मेरा फेलियर होना था। ये ड्रामेबाजियों हमें तकरीरों में, स्पीचों में थोड़ी लड़ तो ये रहे हैं। अब लड़ने के लिए जो इंसान चाहिए, आप बताइए कि लोगों की भर्ती ना करने का कारण क्या है? एक बात। दूसरा, आपने इलेक्शन में सारे लोगों की बंदूकें, उनके हथियार अपने जमा करा लिए। सरकार को अपनी सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस को, अपनी एजेंसी को मजबूत करना चाहिए, स्ट्रांग करना चाहिए, और सरकार को यंग बच्चों को भर्ती करनी चाहिए इमीडिएट कंडी में।
Well, that's the Congress leader there finding faults with the intel agencies and also when it comes to the government involvement here, when it comes to all of the terrorists who are said to be involved. Soon the promise that is coming across that all of them will be eliminated. Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.